guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Guess what we're working on today? Biasi, no hot water. Let's diagnose it and repair it. What the hell? The display went blank as soon as I put the camera on. And as soon as I put the camera on the display come back on. So, anyway, we got no hot water in this place. Yeah. Nothing anyway. Even if I try this tap, nothing. Right. So the best way to find out which one's the hot water on there is if I just close it from here. Right. Let's come back here. I don't know which one the hot water is. Okay, this is the hot water side. Yeah. So I'm leaving that open. That's closed. That's open. Now, I'll put the water on. Nothing. Absolutely nothing, yeah? And the tap is open. Tap is open. And nothing on there. So we're going to sort this out then, guys. Let's just close it, we don't waste water. So, it's not sensing the water, obviously, yeah? Yeah, it's not sensing it. So basically, either this is faulty, or that is. So I narrowed it down to two. Now, these days, right, I just carry these parts with me because I'm regularly changing them. So I'm just going to go to the car and change it. Right, I'm just going to go to the car and get the parts. Guys, sorted that out. This baby was faulty on a magnetic turbine, whatever you want like that. Anyway, it was faulty. So we sorted that out, we changed it, and it's all we can find now. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.